In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Gemini isn't available while trying to generate charts. So if you're trying to generate charts, but you're told Gemini isn't currently available, try again later. Then to fix this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, in the first method, if you are trying to generate this chart on an already existing thread, go ahead and just open a new thread and try to generate your chart. But if this doesn't work, then you need to go ahead and log out. Try restarting your smartphone and then log in again to your Google Gemini app, and now here generate your charts, and this should fix now your problem. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and clear the cache data on your Gemini app. Clear the both cache and app data. Go ahead, long press on Gemini app and choose app info. And here, go ahead and tap on clear all data here and OK. And go back now to your app. And this should have fixed your problem. If you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for any update through Google Play Store or App Store for your Gemini app by just searching Gemini, and then go ahead and update this to the latest version and open it to start generating your responses or charts without any problem. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues on your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.